Hi everyone, this is going to be a very quick tutorial in response to a problem we have had with some of my students this morning, especially when they were asked to submit class requirements on or before a particular deadline, and they would inform me back that they have submitted their requirements on time, but when I would check my email inbox, there is nothing from them. And you may have similar concerns in your other subjects, so I am sharing this information with you. So we found out eventually that they have been sending their class requirements as a reply to the notification of Google Classroom. Please do not do that, because it says there very specifically no reply, which means that if you send anything using this email address, then your professors and instructors will never receive them. Okay? Now, you have their official email addresses, or you can post them in the Google Classroom, in the shared drive, but just follow instructions. I think that's the simplest thing that you could do. Whatever instruction that your professor instructor has given you, please follow. And that would make our lives easier and less stressful. So with that, I hope that this is helpful for everybody, because I banged my head for a few minutes just to understand and to solve the problem I had with my students. And so have a good day, everyone, and please continue to enjoy learning.